Alright, you guys just saw me struggling a little bit with these damn fittings. I just talked to Max, my buddy, and yeah, welding onto like used aluminum, it's such a pain, especially when you're like not that experienced of a welder. And I'm not calling myself an experienced welder. I've welded a decent amount of stuff, but obviously it's not something that I do constantly, daily. I go months and months and months without welding anything. So, but these ones turned out okay yesterday. Same thing though, kind of some dirty used aluminum. Those ones turned out all right, but these ones, I mean, I got these ones on there. They're good. They're good. I'm not happy with them, but it's going to work. It's just a little frustrating because, like I said, those went pretty smooth yesterday, but trying to weld up these today, I was like, what in the hell is going on? So we got those done. So now we just got to fab up the lines real quick, and then we should be in good shape. So that's what I'm gonna get knocking out right now. Oh, this one might be too short now. I have to use this one for that other. Come on, come on, man. Yeah, it's too short. Okay. So we'll cut it down to where we can use it for this one. Which is actually going to be this top one.